In today's tutorial, I'll show you one of the ways you can update the Samsung Internet app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Regularly updating apps helps improve performance, security, and adds new features. If you want to ensure that your Samsung Internet app is always up to date, follow this guide to the end. Let's get started. First, open your Samsung Internet app. Right after opening it, tap the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with options. In the menu, look for the Settings option and tap it. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and when you see the option labeled About Samsung Internet, tap it. When you open the About Samsung Internet option, if a new version of the app is available, you will see a blue button that says Update. Tap it. After doing that, tap Update again in the bottom right corner of the screen to start the update process. Wait a few seconds while the update downloads and installs. Once the update is complete, you'll be notified, and you can start using the latest version of the app. And that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you very soon, and thanks a lot for watching.